Okay, this video looks at the second task and the second synoptic assessment. Right, so we're on task 2. 12 marks, another computer marked task. This one combines a little bit of ethics with some advanced bookkeeping. So we can see, based on the workplace scenario of new place, year end 31st of December. Today's date is the 15th of January. You are checking the non-current asset register. A van acquired on the 1st of January has been included, and you have found the related purchase invoice. So new place, that's ours. So we've bought this van, and included on the invoice is 12 months road fund license and 36 months of servicing. Both of those are renewable and therefore shouldn't be part of the value of the asset. The VAT shouldn't be in there either, because that of course can be reclaimed. Right, so you establish new place of VAT registered, and in the ledger accounts the purchase was entered as debit the vehicles 10,000, debit VAT 2,000, credit the bank. Well, it's okay for the VAT, but of course these £2,000 worth of road fund licence and servicing should not have been included as part of the van. So complete the sentence below to show the correct treatment. The correct value to be included is the cost of the van is, we said 8,000, and the road fund licence should be posted to expenses. You need to adjust for the 36-month service payment. Select the correct adjustment for the service payment for the year ended 20x8. Right, so it was a 3 month or 36 months, sorry, 3 years servicing, 1,800. So this was conveniently delivered on the 1st of January. My year end is December. So therefore I need to prepay for exactly 2 years worth. So 1,800 divided by 3, £600 per year. 2 years prepaid is going to be 1,200. So there is a 1,200 prepayment. The adjustment for the treatment of the invoice for the van have been made. You are recording the annual depreciation charge for the new van. Vehicles are depreciated at 25% per year, straight line. Right, so I've decided that my van is 8,000. So I just need to do 25% of 8,000, which is of course £2,000. And then I have to prepare the journal for this depreciation. So I'm looking for depreciation expense or charges, that will do. Remember I said it's £2,000, 25% of the 8,000 cost. And the credit will be, I'm looking for accumulated depreciation. Here we are, vehicles accumulated depreciation, £2,000. Complete the following statement about the overall effect on the business profit for the year of correcting the vehicle cost and depreciation. So we took £2,000 out of assets and into expenses up here, didn't we? Yes, we made a prepayment, but that's still, we had £600 worth of that expense, so we've still got an extra 800 there. And then of course we've put through this depreciation expense. So more expenses means less profit. Whilst reviewing the non-current asset register, you identify another error. An incorrect amount of VAT has been claimed, resulting in £1,100 too much being reclaimed. Despite discussing this with your manager, no action has been taken to change the VAT treatment either in the account or with HMRC. You consider consulting a technical helpline outside of your organisation, which has been set up by your local college. So obviously if you're calling a helpline, you've got a potential risk of breach of confidentiality if you give up too much information. So that would be the answer. You decide not to consult the technical helpline, so you must now consider your position with regards to the ethical code. Right, so what was exactly the situation? An incorrect amount of VAT has been claimed. Discussed it with your manager. No action has been taken. Okay, so what further action would you need to do to ensure compliance with the ethical code? Right, so it's definitely not no further action. It's definitely not you can just inform HMRC, so it must be this middle one. I should inform Mo in writing that my professional principles prevent me from being connected with incorrect information. That sounds about right. Okay, Mo has asked you to extend your review of the non-current asset register. You will need to check all invoices for additions in the last 12-month period. Mo has requested you complete this by the end of the day. It is now 4:30 p.m. and you are due to leave at 5:30 p.m. The review is likely to take 3 hours. Having raised this with Mo, he has suggested you get it done quickly. So what's the problem here? Well, we're not really giving it enough time and attention. So professional competence and due care. I just need to make this smaller so as I can scroll down. Identify the action you should take. I think it would probably be that top one. Explain to Mo you will prioritise the review for tomorrow morning. You don't have to work late outside your hours. Refusing to complete it is a bit end of, isn't it? Requesting someone else. I think that top one's the best. We'll check that one in a minute. I'm not 100% on that. Right, then moving on. Oh, I have to change the size again, bear with me. Okay, so hopefully you can see this. Let's just make it bigger. There we go. Kira Jackson at Addo & Co finds out about Mo's attempt to reclaim VAT incorrectly. Kira believes she has reason to suspect that this was part of a money laundering operation at New Place. Right, so discuss the matter in full with Mo. Well, they've already discussed it and he's basically said he's not going to change it. That's not that. So she works at Addo & Co. So she's not a sole practitioner, so therefore she will make an internal report detailing her suspicions, and then it would be up to her money laundering reporting officer to decide if he or she wants to make a report to the external authority. So we will go with that one.